guys, welcome to another day. Today we are finally leaving Saigon. We're gonna go to Nha Trang now. And I've actually decided, as you might have already seen, I'm in the airport right now. I decided on flying, first of all because it's super cheap, and second of all because the bus ride supposedly can take up to 11 hours and the flight is less than an hour, so I don't see what's not to win. Supposedly Nha Trang has been hit quite hard by a typhoon that was raging above the country. So I'm excited to see what consequences that have actually had, if everything is just completely trashed or however it's going to be. It was like a week ago anyway, so I'm guessing they have started cleaning up and whatnot, but I mean, we'll find out. But yeah, I've been in Saigon for 5 days. And yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to getting out of here now. I mean, I feel like I've seen enough of Saigon now. I mean, it's been super fun. I was staying at a hostel, right, and last night we went to this pub crawl with a lot of people there. It was super fun, but not the best idea when you have a plane to catch in the morning. But yeah, okay, I think I'm at my gate now. Yeah, boarding is supposed to start in like 20 minutes, so I'm still way ahead of time. But yeah, that's what's happening now. So I guess I will see you guys in Nha Trang. Guys, we have finally, and I really mean finally, because I have no idea where today went. It just disappeared. Been traveling all day, but yes, finally in Nha Trang. I just checked into my hostel where I will be staying for the next 2 days. Tomorrow we're obviously going to go explore, see what this place has to offer and the surroundings. And I need to watch out now because I am walking on the road. Sorry, I have to see where I'm going. Yeah, we're gonna go try and find some food now, and there's also supposed to be a night market somewhere around here, which is exactly where I'm headed right now. So let's move. I do believe we have found it. And there are a ton of people. Oh, check this out. Alright, so we're back from the beach now, and I gotta say that overall this does seem like a very touristic city. And in all honesty, I'm really looking forward to getting out of the touristic places, out into the real Vietnam. Right? So I hope that I'll be able to get a bike or something tomorrow. That'll be sick. But I don't know, because I don't want to buy one. I want to rent one, and then I want to deliver it in Hue once I get there. And if that's not possible, then I don't know. I guess I will just go by bus. But we'll have to wait and see till tomorrow. Hey there guys, so it's another day. I don't know if you can see it, but it's wet everywhere. It's been raining pretty much all day. It's like 3 o'clock right now, and it's finally started to clear up a little bit. But we're on the GoPro right now, just in case. Didn't want to get the main camera wet. This thing is waterproof. Good job, GoPro. Yeah, we're gonna go have a walk around now. I'm gonna find something to eat because I have not eaten all day, and then we'll see what happens. right now we're basically in the middle of nowhere. We're very close to this waterfall called Bajo. It's been like, I don't know, probably 20 kilometers ride to get here. So I'm excited to see this. And till now, I mean, we're walking alongside a river in Chitans. And it does look very nice. That's for sure. I find it quite interesting as well that most of the other travelers and tourists I meet here are from Russia, which to me is quite unusual. I mean, I've traveled like all over Asia by now, and you don't see many Russians. But apparently they have a really good eye to this place. And actually, I was just told by my guide here, or well, not my guide, but my driver, that Russia donated a lot of money to Vietnam after this typhoon happened, to help them rebuild and to recover from anything from food till all the cleanup and construction that needs to be done right now. So, thumbs up, Russia. You did something right. Alright, so we spent just about, I'd say, half an hour at the final waterfall. Took an hour to get here. I'm sorry, I really have to keep my footings here. So that's where my main focus is right now. But yeah, now we're headed back. And I gotta tell you, it is no easier than getting up, that is for sure. But really awesome waterfall, I enjoyed it a lot. Very, very nice. I think this way. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Right, you all saw the journey up. I'm gonna cut you off here, and I'll see you when we're back down. Okay. Easy. So right now we are in this tiny little fishing village just outside of Nha Trang, and I mean it seems very hectic, but it's also amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, I really love the blue boats. It's just a fantastic place to be. Fascinating how some of the boats is just like a giant basket and then a paddle, and yeah, then you go for it. I think maybe they covered it in tar or something to make it waterproof. I'm not exactly sure, but it does kind of look like it because there's some sort of black coating on it. You can see it there. There's one bottom in the air. Anyways, I think now I'm gonna start heading back towards Nha Trang. And yeah, then it's back to the hostel and yeah, relax a bit. I only stayed like 4 hours last night because I was up editing, so yeah. Good luck. Hello. The people here are amazing. But yeah, back to the hostel and relax a bit. That's what's gonna happen next. Not very interesting for you guys, I suppose, but it's gonna be good for me. So I'll see you later.